Boom. Okay guys, as you can tell from the intro, this is the Janet collection. This is the Janet collection Perm Peruvian. And it is a natural texture in deep wave. The length of this hair is 18 inches. And I use 4 packs to achieve this look. As you can see, I left the hair long. You can cut this hair in half and install it, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to wear it long or if I wanted to wear it short. But because it is synthetic hair, it does hold a lot of heat, so I decided to cut it into this cute bob. This is what I have left from the hair. It's just the 2 strands, so you can achieve a full look with 4 packs. I would say if you do a bob look, just cut the hair in half. And also, because this is my own head, I didn't install it. You know, I install it quick. I think I installed this hair within 35 minutes, 40 minutes. I would say if you do install the hair, most of the pieces that I have in my hair, I did not split the strand in half. I'll say split it in half all throughout the hair. That'll give you longevity, and your knots won't be as big as mine. However, I don't care about that in my own head, but however, when I do my clients, I do split the hair, use smaller pieces so the knots are not as visible. But for my hair, I didn't do that because I knew that I wanted it real full and big, and this is big hair, you guys. Don't let the camera fool you. It is big hair. Again, I did use 4 packs, and what I can say is that this hair is extremely soft. Because it is the natural perm, natural texture, it does put me in the mind of Kima Ripple Deep. So when I touch the hair, you know, Kima Ripple Deep, it has that texture to it. This hair has that same natural texture to it. Like if you were to knot this hair, it's not going anywhere because it does have that grip. This hair is so soft and it's just so bouncy, and I know that the longevity of this hair is going to be good. I'm thinking this is probably a new line that they came out with. I think it's been out for the past year, if I'm not mistaken. Janet collection hit it on the nail with this hair. I will leave the link where you can purchase this hair, and also I have 4 packs left, so I will be doing a giveaway for the 4 packs left. That's enough for install. If you do 5 braids across the top, 5 in the back, even if you do 12 across the top and 6 in the back, if you split the hair, you can definitely get a complete install. So I'll do a giveaway with the rest of the hair that I have left, and in order for you to be able to enter into the giveaway, you have to like this video, subscribe. Remember, you have to subscribe, and just leave a comment in the comment section on why you like crochet braids and why you think you should be the winner of this hair. I'm just going to choose randomly. This is for USA only because it's only 4 packs of hair, and I just want to give it away. What I would suggest is that don't do it like me now. Split the hairs. You know, you get these pieces like this, split the pieces in half and install. There's tons of crochet videos on how to install, so it's not gonna so you should be able to find out how to install this hair. I used the 3 loop method. I just knot the hair 3 times and pull, and that was it. Again, this is the Janet collection perm hair, and I actually like this hair. This hair, you guys, is so soft. I think, you know, Kima was my #1 type of crochet braids, but I will say that Janet collection has surpassed that. And I'm not saying this just because they sent me this hair for free. I'm saying this because this is real. I will definitely go out there and spend my coins on this hair each and every time. They do have a few others in this collection that I do want to try, but for right now, I'm just gonna rock this Perm Peruvian, you guys, and it's just a bounce to it. It's just so soft and flowy. I'm just so excited about this hair. So when I pick the winner, I'll come back. I'll probably leave this giveaway open for 2 weeks, and then I'll come back and I'll do my 2-week review on this hair, and I'm hoping that this hair is going to stand up to the test. I think it is. From the feel of it, I think it is. And I just love this type of hair, and I just love when it gets old and, you know, kind of fuzzy. That makes it even, that gives it more character. Anyway, you guys, this is Enhanced by Julie, and thank you for watching.